Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy potato soup only way. Begin by chopping 2 pounds of potatoes, dicing 1 onion, and mincing 2 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter and sauté the onion until translucent, then add garlic and cook briefly. Add potatoes, 4 cups of broth, and a bay leaf, bring to a simmer and cook until potatoes are tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Pure creaminess comes from timing and technique, so mash or blend while still hot for the best texture. Reserve 1 cup of cooked potato pieces for body, then puree the rest with an immersion blender until smooth. Stir the reserved pieces back in, then add 1 cup of half and half and heat gently without boiling. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding salt, pepper, and a little acidity to brighten the soup. Toppings transform the bowl, so prepare a small selection like crisp bacon, shredded cheddar, and chopped chives. Toasted bread or croutons add a pleasant crunch and soak up extra broth. If the soup thickens in storage, thin with a splash of broth or milk and reheat slowly. Always taste before serving and adjust salt and acid, and enjoy the cozy results with family or friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.